We are going to make chicken divas. So your first step is to preheat the oven to 425. And then the next step is to make our sauce. I already have 4 cups of chicken broth. And then the next ingredients we're going to add is 1.5 cups of sour cream. We need 1 cup of mayonnaise. We just need half a cup of milk. 1 small lemon. We need 4 cloves of garlic. Half a teaspoon of paprika. So our sauce is done. Over here we have 1 pound of chicken, 1 bag of frozen broccoli, and then 1 pound of penne. Now we need 1 cup of cheese. We're going to cover this with tin foil and we're going to bake this for 25 minutes. The toppings is going to be 1 cup of breadcrumbs, lemon, garlic, and some butter. And we're going to mix this all up. After 25 minutes, you put all that over the pasta.